Hashtag let me in.
Yeah.
I'm crying. Oh my god, he's playing the meme in the background too. I'm dead. Alright, anyways, guys, what is up? It is your boy Kimbo here, and it's time for another epic Bakugan Battle Planet card pack opening video. So this is number 19, dude. It's crazy. 19. I've done 19 of these. It's wild. But yeah, I'm going to have a lot of decks to construct. And then obviously I'll start doing trades and stuff once I, go through all the cards and stuff. But yeah, anyways, got these card packs left. Just going to pick out of them, pick 5. Oh, yo, we got a Hydrus. All right, I haven't seen a Hydrus one in a little bit. Got 2. Another Hydrus. All right, number 3. Another freaking Hydrus. All right, number 4. I guess this one. Drago. And number 5, Hydrus. All right, so a lot, literally all Hydrus except for one. So yeah, like I said, the main thing I'm looking for is Leah Venegas. I haven't pulled Leah. Hoping Leah's in here somewhere and just hiding. It would be crazy. If I just pull one Leah, I'm like, it's already set. No matter what, I win. Like you can't be disappointed with anything. I haven't even been disappointed at all. But yeah, I've got some crazy pulls thus far. These teens have been nuts, and we're gonna end it with 19. Before we go into like the 20s, which is crazy. But yeah, anyways, I will save the Drago for the very middle. So yeah, man, here we go. Very first card pack. I haven't gotten many Hydrus ones in this one. I just realized that. Like mainly like Niliuses and Dragos. But yeah, here we go. Let's see. What do we have? Get this open, and there we go, man. Okay, so we're starting it off with Tainted Touch. Okay, then Terrify +6 or minus 6. Ventus Power flip card, Lava Flow another flip card, Thought Decay. Choose a player to discard 2 cards. Okay, and I just took 2 cards on accident. But Unrivaled Jump +900, and then Diamond Pegatrix, which that's pretty dang good one. B power of 1200 and damage level of 6. Then we have Diamond Gortheon Ultra, 2 Diamond Chaos Diamonds in a row. That's pretty cool. B power 1300, damage level of 6. Aqua Slam, pulled this one before. And then we've got Cease Ventus, so pretty calm, pack. So yeah, look at that art though, right there, like that hollow. It looks so sick, man. All right, so pretty calm for the first pack. So we got pack number 2. Watch I get something crazy and then I just like break everybody's eardrums. I kind of did in another video. Hopefully not. I'd feel really bad. But yeah, here we go. Hey, that's like the easiest. That's the best I've ever ripped open like one of these packs. Wow. All right. Well, pack number 2. Let's see what we got in here, man. I'm just gonna I'll move these over here. Set those there. All right, so Shock and Awe, +4 damage, and another Bakugan gets -300. Then we got Smash. All right, plus, oh gosh, I'm surprised. Yeah, I knew. Oh my gosh, I can't. I had a feeling they were gonna make some jokes, but yeah. Anyway, Sonic Howl, Lupithion looks awesome. +4, and Aventus Energize it uncharged. Then Cycling Itchor, seen that before. Deafening Roar, -600. Then Laser Claw, +10. Cocoon Shield, the Bakugan's B power becomes 1,000. That's a really good one right there. And then Hyper Fangzor, B power of 600, damage level of 8. Domination, if your Bakugan are holding the most Bakugans, it's +900 B power, which that's pretty crazy, dude. And then we've got Titan Garganoid Ultra, looking so cool. B power 900, damage level 6. Victor, copy the next action you play. Yeah, man, and it is of course a super rare. And then we've got, Hyper Hydrus Ultra, B power 1,000, damage level 3. If it lands on a fist, +5 damage, and also the Shadow Strike. And it's the Hollow Hex version, dude. So cool. Awesome rare. Hollow Hex, awesome rare. Can't even be upset. I'd say that's probably the holy grail thus far. So yeah, still got 3 more packs to go. And if you hear like barking in the background, that's my little dogs. Like hashtag woof woof if you wanna. Yeah, woof woof or something. Maybe them barking will like summon lightning. If I pull lightning from this pack, I'm gonna flip out. I'm gonna start laughing really hard. I doubt it's gonna happen, but yeah, that would be pretty funny if that happened. But yeah, all right, here we go. So pack number 3, they're barking a lot. Maybe they can sense lightning. Probably not. They're just barking because my parents are home. But yeah, Fragile Light, 2 energy, and then -5 to a non-Chaos Bakugan. Then Lava Boost plus 900, Heroic Strength plus 9, Light Break plus 300 B power. If Chaos plus 600 B power instead. Magma Boost plus 700, Meltdown, destroy an energy card. Another Arliss Hyper Dragonoid. Yo, another one. It's only one to get it out. B power 600, damage level 8. Then we got Garganoid's Gaze, destroy a hero with 4 energy or less. And then another Night Lightning. Dang, draw a card. You may discard a card for +3 and use it any number of times. Night Lightning, that's a pretty good one, dude. And then, Hyper Pegatrix. Hyper Pegatrix. Hollow Hex. It's a rare Hollow Hex, so B power 900, damage level 3. If it lands on a shield, plus 400 B power and plus 8 damage. Could be really, really strong. It's only 4 to get it out, so yeah, man, not too bad. It said Night Lightning, so I mean, it wasn't wrong. So they kind of did summon lightning a little bit. I mean, that's kind of funny. But yeah, anyways, pack number 4 here. See what we got. All right, boom. And get that. All right. Boom, got it. I'm getting better with opening these like quicker. But yeah, Ventus Power, of course, a flip card. Lava Flow, another flip card. I had to burp, excuse me. Pyrus Dominance, another flip card. Spark, another flip card. Dark Fire, plus 9 damage. Photosynthesis, another photosynthesis. LOL. Wing Cutter, got another Wing Cutter. Shell Shield, another one of those. And Titan Hydrus Ultra, awesome rare. B power of 700. Damage level of 7. Victor, destroy an enemy energy card. Kind of a tongue twister. Enemy energy. Try saying that 5 times fast. But yeah, 6 to get it out. And then we've got Curse of Darkus. -2 sacrifice. You may discard a card for -10 instead. So, yeah, man, common Hollow Hex. Dang, dude. Getting some pretty good pulls in here, though, for sure. So we got the last pack. Seems like the teens are going to be a little bit more mild. Well, 19, ending it off, making it a little bit more mild. But, yeah, dude, here we go. The very last pack for this vid. See if I can get it open. This one's being a little bit of a pain, but it's all good, man. All right, and my garbage is getting really, really full with all these freaking card pack boxes, but it's all fine. Repel Outsiders. Flip card, obviously. Then just gotta organize this a little bit. There we go. Repel Pyrus, flip card. Then Cycling Thoughts, draw 2 cards, then return this card to the bottom of your deck. Ebb, +2 if played another card this turn, +5. Then Fixation, Repel Ventus, flip card. Engulfing Embers, that looks really, really sick. Freaking Nilius is on fire. Okay, +4 to B power and +6 for the damage. Then Drago's Fury, +4, and if you have no cards in your hand at all, it gets the double strike, which that's pretty cool. And then Diamond Maxotaur Ultra, looking so cool. B power 1500. Damage level of 15, but it takes 10 to get this out, so it takes a little while, but an awesome rare. That's a pretty good pull, dude. And then we have Razor Wings. So, yeah, man, put this in your hand. But, yeah, flip card. And it looks so cool. Look at that art right there. It looks so awesome. Is that a Chaos Dragonoid? I think so, man, but looks so cool. But, yeah, dude, overall, this was, like, kind of a more mild card pack opening. Still got some pretty dang good cards, though. So, obviously, like, the main ones, I'd say, Razor Wings, Diamond Maxotaur Ultra is a pretty good one. Curse of Darkus, Titan Hydrus Ultra, also a good one. Awesome rare. Hyper Pegatrix, that's a good one. Night Lightning, Hyper Hydrus Ultra. A lot of awesome rares in here. I'd say this is probably the holy grail for this, because the awesome rare Hollow Hex. Titan Garganoid Ultra, Cease Ventus, Aqua Slam. Still some pretty dang good pulls in here, dude. A little bit more mild, no elites or anything, but a lot of awesome rares, so not upset at all, and still really, really awesome, dude. So, yeah, next card pack opening will be 20, dude. That's crazy. Hitting 20. That's insane. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this epic Bakugan Battle Planet card pack opening number 19. If you did, be sure to slice that like button down below. Let me know how I did. If you're new to my channel, definitely be sure to subscribe for some epic content, because I upload daily. And if you haven't already, be sure to ring that bell. Yeah. Subscribe. And if you haven't already, be sure to ring that bell.
As Kizzle says.
Yeah, ring the Liberty Bell.
I just can't say anything anymore? Like, I was about to say something. You stole my stuff.
Well, be sure to ring that bell by my channel name to be notified whenever I upload a video. So yeah, guys, till next time, it's your boy Kimbo signing off. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay awesome. And Bakugan Brawl. I'm up out of here. I think he has to poop or something.